Your Hisense TV has a picture but no sound, or the audio was fine yesterday and now it is completely gone. Either way, you are staring at a screen in silence and it should not be this difficult to fix. Most Hisense sound problems are caused by a setting, not a hardware failure. Stay until number 1. That is the fix that solves it for most people. Number 7. The TV is muted or the volume is at 0. This sounds too obvious, but it is the single most common cause of no sound on a Hisense TV, and it catches people off guard more than you would expect. If someone accidentally pressed the mute button, or if the volume got knocked to 0 through a button press in a pocket or a bag, the TV will appear to have no audio output at all. Press the mute button on your Hisense remote once to unmute, then press volume up several times and watch the on-screen volume indicator appear and move. If the indicator rises and sound comes through, the mute was the problem and you are done. If you see the volume indicator moving on screen but still hear nothing through the speakers, the audio output is being routed somewhere other than the TV speakers, and the next steps will fix that. Number 6. The audio output is pointed at the wrong device. Hisense Smart TVs allow you to route audio to different outputs. The built-in TV speakers, an HDMI ARC port for a soundbar, an optical audio connection, or a Bluetooth device. If that output setting was changed, even accidentally, the TV is sending all of its audio to a device that is either not connected or not powered on. Go to Settings on your Hisense TV, then scroll to Sound, then Audio Output. Look at what is currently selected. If it shows HDMI RC optical or Bluetooth, but you do not have anything active on those connections, switch the selection back to TV speakers. This is one of the most common causes of sudden audio disappearing without any other symptom. A soundbar or Bluetooth speaker that was connected once and then disconnected, leaving the audio routing stuck pointing at nothing. Number 5. A Bluetooth device is intercepting the audio. If you have ever connected a Bluetooth speaker or wireless headphones to your Hisense TV, the TV may still be routing all audio to that device, even if it is turned off, out of range, or sitting in another room entirely. The TV holds the Bluetooth pairing in memory and tries to send audio to it first. Go to Settings, then Remote and Accessories or Connected Devices, and find any Bluetooth speaker or headphones listed as connected. Tap on the device and choose to disconnect or unpair it. Once the Bluetooth output is released, the TV automatically reroutes audio back to the built-in speakers. Many Hisense TV owners have spent a long time checking every other setting when the answer was a Bluetooth speaker they forgot was still paired from weeks earlier. Number 4. The digital audio format is causing a conflict. Hisense TVs output digital audio in formats like Dolby Digital or DTS. Some soundbars, AV receivers, and even certain streaming apps cannot decode those formats correctly. And when there is a format mismatch, the result is complete silence, even though the TV appears to be outputting audio normally. Go to Settings, then Sound, then Advanced Settings or Audio Output Settings, and look for Digital Audio Output or SPDIF format. Change the setting from Auto or Bitstream to PCM. PCM is the simplest, most universally compatible audio format. Switching to it removes format compatibility issues between the TV and any connected audio device. This fix is especially effective when audio works in some apps but goes silent in others. That inconsistency is a strong sign that a format mismatch is the cause. Number 3. Power cycle the TV completely. A temporary software crash in the audio processing system can cause sound to disappear without any setting being wrong. The TV looks completely normal, the output is set correctly, the volume is up, but there is no sound. A full power reset clears the audio processor, along with everything else inside the TV. Unplug your Hisense TV from the wall outlet completely. Wait 60 full seconds, not 10 seconds, a full minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. The TV must be fully unplugged for the internal capacitors to discharge and for the audio system to restart cleanly. This resolves temporary audio failures that no setting change can fix, and it is something every Hisense owner should try before spending time on more advanced steps. Number 2. Update the TV firmware. Audio bugs in older firmware versions are a well-documented cause of no sound on Hisense TVs. Hisense regularly releases firmware patches that fix known audio issues, but only if the TV receives or checks for those updates. Go to Settings, then Device Preferences or Support, then About, and select System Update or check for update. Let the TV download and install whatever is available, then restart. After the update, test audio across a few different apps and inputs. If sound was missing in only certain apps and now works correctly everywhere, a firmware patch resolved the compatibility issue. Keeping the firmware current is the most effective long-term way to prevent audio bugs from recurring. Number 1. Check the speaker output and consider a factory reset. If no audio comes from the TV speakers under any setting and after every fix on this list, there are 2 remaining possibilities: a deeply corrupted system configuration or a physical issue with the internal speaker connection. Start with a factory reset before assuming hardware damage. On your Hisense TV, go to Settings, then Device Preferences, then Reset, and confirm the reset. After the TV restores to factory settings, immediately test audio with no apps installed and no external devices connected. If sound returns after the reset, corrupted system data was the cause of the silence. If the speakers remain completely silent even after a clean clean factory reset. With the audio output confirmed as TV speakers and the volume turned up, the internal speaker connection may have come loose or the speakers themselves may have failed. Contact Hisense support at 1-888-935-8880 or visit the support section at hisenseusa.com. If the TV is still within warranty, Hisense will arrange a repair or replacement at no cost to you.